In this video, I'll share my experience using BambooHR. Find links to BambooHR and related resources below. While primarily an HR solution, not a CRM, BambooHR offers features relevant for businesses aiming to improve employee management and recruitment. Designed for small to medium-sized businesses, it streamlines HR operations, letting teams focus on people, not paperwork. One standout feature is its centralized employee database, securely storing all employee information, from personal details and job history to benefits and performance reviews. BambooHR simplifies tasks like time-off tracking, payroll, and compliance, with built-in reporting. It also excels in recruitment and onboarding. Its applicant tracking system manages job postings, tracks candidates, and streamlines communication. Onboarding tools ensure smooth transitions with welcome emails, e-signatures, and task lists for new hires and managers. For employee engagement, BambooHR offers performance management and feedback tools. Managers can set goals, schedule check-ins, and collect feedback via surveys, fostering continuous improvement and communication. A self-service portal lets employees update information, request time off, and access documents, reducing hours' administrative burden. While BambooHR excels at HR management, it's not for managing customer relationships or sales. Businesses needing CRM features for those areas may need a separate platform. BambooHR is excellent for businesses wanting a user-friendly, all-in-one HR solution for recruitment, performance, and employee engagement. Its intuitive design and robust features improve HR efficiency and employee satisfaction. Check the links below to explore BambooHR and see if it fits your needs. This review should help you decide if BambooHR is the right HR solution for your team.